smoke weed every day.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Well, today I want to talk about one of Jamaica's most notorious killer, and his name is Ricardo Thomas. Now, who is Ricardo Thomas? Ricardo Thomas is otherwise called Bully, and he used to run Roose over there in Back Road in Port Tennessee, and he's from Cockburn Pen. He's from the bottom of Woodpecker Avenue. Now, I hear they talk about WALDIE, but here, this was a guy who didn't even talk. And he started one of the bloodiest wars Jamaica has ever seen. Whether you come from Moby, because let me tell you, because of him, a lot of the Moby them man them linking a Cockburn Pen, as you can see with Tommy Lee Sparta. So, yeah. So, when Bully was killed, there was 4 people killed, including him and his brother. And this was over there by his business place. You know, they said it was like 49 rounds of ammunition. So that kind of, well, what makes this case so interesting, remember he was caught with a gun and ammunition, and everybody in Jamaica thought he was going away, but this guy had a lot of money. He was given a $1 million fine, and that was history in Jamaica at the time, and a 3-year probation. Now, they said this man right here is responsible for about 70 murders. The paper says 60, but really and truly, between him and his one-time friend, WALDIE, now, these guys start one of the most vicious war. Remember now, they were friends. They grew up practically on the same street. You have Woodpecker Avenue, Flint's Crescent, Canary. And they made money in England. They came back to Jamaica and start one of the bloodiest war Jamaica has ever seen. Now, they said that WALDIE was the man who took him out. But what was crazy about it, WALDIE beat that case and got killed the same day after he left court, which everybody knows that, in 2017, and Bully was killed in 2009. But this guy right here, when it comes to gunman killer, this guy here don't talk. And he's very, very, he was very, very dangerous. Now, from what I was told, this war started over WALDIE brother Waldie have a brother who is junkie and keep on beating up the young ladies them in the neighborhood. So the man Bully talked to Waldie about it, and the man them him still do it, so the man them beat him. And when them beat Waldie brother, Waldie called Bully and threatened him, and that lead to they killing each other, family, father, friends, associate, non-associate. I even personally know people who got caught up in that bloody war. And I still can't wrap my head around it. And you know, it's sad to say it's not getting any easier down there in Cockburn 10. Because you see they kill Rifle, they kill this one here, Bully, they kill Waldie, they kill Bitty, amongst other. There's a conspiracy theory going on saying that the Jamaica government got rid of Waldie because he was going on too bad, and they said government call him in and him tell the government them to go suck their mother. Then the rumor fly that says that Waldie was the one who killed this dude right here, Bully. And that's why he got arrested and went on trial, and then when he came out they killed him. Then you see the rifle incident and the Tommy Lee Sparta gun is attached to that. So that kind of show you that Montego Bay and Cockburn 10 link up. The two most dangerous places in Jamaica link up. I don't know how they're going to solve that, but I just wanted to talk about this man right here, my people. One of the most, if not the most dangerous man that ever came out of Jamaica. Ricardo Thomas, aka Bully, aka Indian. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll keep the fire burning. Peace out. This is Countryman.